Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fix no audio device is installed in Windows 11. So when you look at your audio here, if it's got a circle with an X in it, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Right click on the Start menu in your taskbar and come up and select Device Manager. Then you want to minimize network adapters and select Sound, Video and Game Controllers. And you want to navigate to your sound device. It's normally Realtek Audio here. Right click it and select Update Driver. You can search automatically, but I always recommend browse from My Computer drivers. Then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select Realtek High Definition Audio. Select Next. And then it will start installing them new drivers. And it should fix any audio device what is not installed on your Windows 11 PC. So that's how to fix no audio device is installed in Windows 11. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.